We have a 1991 Yamaha Banshee. This has been imported from New York. Dom helped us get it over. Very, very rare Banshee. Condition-wise, the most important thing to me was the panels, headlight backs, and would have been the seat cover, but that's aftermarket. I will try and find one. The main aim for the bike is to bring it all back to original OEM spec, so we're trying to get the tyres, bar pad, original seat cover, polish the panels up where they put stickers on, original bolts, got all aftermarket bolts holding the panels on. We'll go through the whole bike, everything, go through the engine, bring her back to her former glory.